behind that wall there's a cool sounding horn. Whether if it's an air horn or an electronic horn, we're trying to figure out. We're trying to hear it because there are a lot of experts who know about horns and alarms who are subscribed to me on YouTube. Yep, right there. The reason being is we're trying to figure out what make and model. Yeah, we're trying to figure out what make and model of horn that is, because I kind of want to make that horn my new Crown Victoria's horn. Mount that thing under the bumper and have some fun. Well, or use it. So, if any of you experts who know about horns or alarms or audible warning devices, who are subscribed to me on YouTube, who know the makes and models of this stuff, please let me know in the comments below. Let's see if we can have it play one more time. I think this is an emergency exit. There it is. There it is again. It sounds like something horn blasters would shell, but I'd have to check the website. Yes, I'm spending minutes videotaping footage to figure out the make and model of an air horn or an electronic horn that I want. So